Whew. What's good? This week was a good week. I think I mentioned before that I am now into kickboxing. I've never done any type of combat sport before, but kickboxing has really allowed me to really just kind of given me so many different things beyond like the physical aspects of just like working out or being fit. It also is like a form of like meditation for me. I don't know if that makes sense. When I go there, and I have a trainer named Tony. Tony is absolutely amazing. One of the things I love about him is that he is super patient. He somehow knows just when to push, when to dial back, and he's just super awesome. And he has really helped me understand kickboxing for a lot of other reasons beyond the combat and the physical aspects, and I truly enjoy it. I really enjoy it. And one of the reasons why I think another reason why I think I enjoy it so much is because of him. If you are in Vietnam, if you are looking for something new, Pace Studio is amazing. They do such a great job of building community and really getting people who have never been, introduced to a combat sport interested. So I appreciate Tony so much. Tony, I appreciate you. You were awesome, and I'm looking forward to our session tomorrow. This week we also, this news kind of happened a while ago, but myself, my editor, Oge Mora, have been asked to speak at School of Library Day, which is, I think it's May 18th, I think. And it's in conversation about the book that we created together. I guess it will be kind of similar to what we did before, but only this time will be mainly for librarians, which is super exciting. It is a little bit of an introduction to me, or an intro to me in regards to people just not knowing who I am as a writer. And I'm, again, excited just to practice sharing this story out loud to people who are interested. We will hopefully get a chance to talk about the beginning to the end of like the editing and where the story came from and how it changed over time, etc. And it's just a really nice conversation. Within the School of Library, the Dialog, there's other presentations, other keynotes, etc. But I think it is open to anyone. It may be just open to librarians, but if not, you can sign up, and it's free. It's free. We all like free stuff. Who are we kidding? Joanna has left the building. We had a chance to hang out with her just before we left. Joanna, we love you. Thank you for hanging out. She was amazing. I did a video on her last week, but we got a chance to hang out with her again this week with her and some of her cousins, which was great. What else? Conferences will start next week. I think that's actually tomorrow. I might want to get ready. And I did some writing. I haven't had a chance to really sit down with any of my writing in a little while. I think part of Joanna coming here, part of having the conversation with the marketing team at Harper, etc., has really just inspired me to go back at my second text. And I'm feeling good about it. Lots of changes. I actually have it open right here. And I don't know, I'll see what happens. I'm gonna do a few more edits before I send it off to my editor just to see what she thinks, and then we'll see. This book has been quite challenging for me, I think mainly because I came off of such a high with the first one, and the expectations around what I wanted from this book didn't come out to be exactly that right away. But overall, I am just super excited at where it is right now and the progress that I've made since a year ago. This book is about 2 years and some, I guess, in the making, and it's the editing has been amazing through Donna, and the process has been long. But good, long but good. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of writing this weekend, which I feel very good about. And I'm excited to share this book eventually with you when it feels ready to go also. And I can share that process. But other than that, things have been good. Time's ticking, people. I'm From, written by myself, illustrated by my book sis, Oge Mora, September 19th. Coming to a bookstore near you. All right, I'm out. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Peace.